From now on, you should literally say this over and over. Do you want gold or platinum? It's that simple. Quit trying to be suave and sophisticated. Do you want gold or platinum? Either one is a sale. Okay, so you, number one, ask that question. Number two, maintain your eye contact. Notice I didn't say make eye contact because that would infer you weren't making it in the first place. People buy from you because they like you and trust you. Notice, and some of you have heard this training before, but a lot of you haven't. Most people will not look you directly in the eye for more than about 4 or 5 seconds. It's very uncomfortable. And again, if you don't believe that, hang out tomorrow with someone at lunch, someone you know well, and just look at them right in the eyes as long as you can. It's gonna freak you out. And the second thing is they're gonna go, what are you, a stalker? Like, it's uncommon. And as a side note, for those of you that get intimidated, you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to close. I'm afraid to ask people for money, blah, 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 blah. When you look someone directly in the eyes and you won't turn away, the impression they get is that you're confident and in control. You could be the most passive, scared to death human being in the world, but if you look them right in the eyes and you don't back off and they keep looking away, hopefully that'll give you an internal confidence that you have the upper hand, so to speak. So we maintain our eye contact. You're going, if you are making eye contact, when you ask a closing question, you're gonna wanna look away because it's gonna be uncomfortable. Because now is dun, dun, dun. It's the moment of truth. All that time and energy to drive there, all that time and energy to do the presentation, now it boils down to dun, dun, dun. Are they gonna give you money? So you go, so do you wanna get gold or platinum? So, do you want gold or platinum? Just stare right at them. Don't turn your head. So that's the first thing you do. Second thing you do is you shut up. You've been running your mouth for quite a while now. It should need a break. That's a general statement, not just a presentation. Some of you really need to know when to be quiet. You think that being a great salesperson is running your mouth, and it's the exact opposite. It's knowing when to shut up. Before a presentation, you ask questions, you listen. If you talk while you're listening, your listening skills will not do very well. But most importantly, when you get done, ask a closing question. The first person that talks loses. So, do you want to get gold or platinum? Now this, the tricky part. You need to look at them and not talk simultaneously. The first person that talks loses. So you go, so do you want gold or platinum? Because if you don't want platinum right now, I understand. Nope, shut up. Said this a million times, I'm not into tattoos. If you have tattoos, that's cool. May the force be with you, but I'm not into them. But if I was gonna get a tattoo early in my sales career, I would have gotten a mute button right there. Because I couldn't shut my damn mouth after a presentation. Because I was nervous and afraid. So if you're gonna get a tattoo, I would get a mute button right there. I really would. I think it could be valuable to you. Now, I just need to tell you, in case you sue me later, it won't actually work. If you can get a mute button implanted there, that would be phenomenal. Wow, we could make a fortune selling those to salespeople all over the galaxy, but I don't think that'll happen. It's just symbolic to remind you to just shut up. So, would you like gold or platinum? So, maintain your eye contact, you're quiet, and then you smile. Some of you, what's our slogan? We're making a living. Yeah, some of you are making a living stressing. Some of you are making a living freaking out. Some of you are making a living looking like you're constipated. You have a look on your face all the time that you're angry, constipated, or about to die. You don't look good. So at the end of the presentation, you smile. You want people to like you and trust you. So eye contact gets them to trust you. Smile gets them to like you. Okay, and I know what some of you are saying, my teeth aren't very good. Even better. Okay, if you could go knock a few teeth out, how could someone say no to you if you have hardly any teeth, but you're willing to flash it loud and proud? So this is it. This is what it boils down to. Find a human being, show them the presentation, and as soon as it's over, say, so do you want to go gold or platinum? And you don't talk until they say something. They may say no, that's okay, but don't talk until they say something. Got it? Simple? Okay, cool.